Ile huzu la old school. Drop amabhazi ngithi baskula. Funda, enhance your brain, ensure you read between the lines. I lace a line, I raise the bar. I know what lies beyond my lies, no lies, realize I keep it really like it's a confession. Life is risky penal situation. Try pace work all in rap, it's conversion. Below got that a connection. As check it cause na pega nga quotation. Tertiary, financially outstanding. I owe him university, abana understanding. I've got to pay on the money to keep enrolling. Stress that night till the morning. I've been making music annually, releasing mixtape, but to talk my shit. Never ever give up. Abanye, pila ba complain, and feel and compose and oppose. My critics will never break my composure and compose. And she be digging and let ya my pose. I'm the judge, killer now, meaning I know move home. Forget lost out of my way. Ndawama roll. I'm so African. Ladies and gentlemen, I rap. But for now, that's a rap.